Hello everyone. If you are using GLPI and want to extend the features of your IT Helpdesk system, plugins are an essential tool. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to install a plugin in GLPI, from downloading the plugin, placing it in the correct directory, to activating it and verifying that it is working properly. First, to install a plugin properly, you need to check the GLPI version you are currently using. This is important because each plugin is only compatible with specific GLPI versions. If you install an incompatible plugin, it may not work correctly or even cause issues with your system. Next, please go to the official website where GLPI provides its official plugins. Here, you can view the list of available plugins, which are organized into different categories. You can also search for a specific plugin if you already know the name of the plugin you want to use. Depending on your usage purpose, you should choose and install the appropriate plugin. In this example, I will install the More Reporting plugin to demonstrate the plugin installation process in GLPI. Here, you need to check the supported GLPI versions of the plugin and compare them with the GLPI version you are currently using. After that, click on the Download button to go to the plugin's detail page. Here, you will see different versions of this plugin. In this example, I will install the latest version, as it is currently supported and compatible with the GLPI version I am using. To get the download link, simply right-click on the file and select Copy Link. After obtaining the download link, the next step is to connect to your GLPI server. Next, navigate to the GLPI installation directory. Please note that the directory path may differ depending on how GLPI was installed on your system. Next, navigate to the plugins directory. Next, download the plugin using the link you obtained in the previous step. After downloading, you will see the compressed plugin file. Now, proceed to extract this file. After extracting the file, you will see a plugin directory like this. Now, let's go back to the GLPI management interface to continue with the installation. Here, click on the Install button to install the plugin. After the installation is complete, click Enable to activate the plugin. You will see a green icon, which means the plugin has been activated and is ready to use. After the plugin has been installed and activated, it will usually appear under the Tools menu in the GLPI interface. Now you can explore the features provided by this plugin. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss upcoming videos about GLPI and IT Helpdesk. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.